Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change any icon on Windows to anything you want. So for example, you have some folder. In my case, I have a folder called first course, and I want to change an icon for it so I can recognize this folder immediately. To do this, all I have to do is to simply right click on this folder and click on properties right here. So now I have properties of this folder and I need to click on the customize button, the last tab right here, and here I have folder icons and I can click on change icon, and here I have some pre-installed icons on your Windows, but all of them look kind of ugly for me, so I recommend you to download your own icons. So they look prettier and you can download whatever you want. So to download your own icon, all you have to do is to simply click on the browser and type in the search bar download.ico icons. So why ICO? Because we need this format of the file so it will be suitable with the icons on Windows. So this format is necessary. I recommend you to use this website called Icons. So when you access this site, you need to click on the icon packs right here, and as you can see, there are a lot of different icons here. If you see this little crown near the pack, it means this pack is premium, so you will need to pay for it. So I recommend you to sort here by popularity, and as you can see, here are a lot of free icons. So for example, I like the Among Us players icon, so you need to click on it and choose the icon that you like. So for example, I want this white icon for my folder, so I need to click on it and click on download icon. Make sure you download it in ICO format, otherwise it will not work. So click on the ICO and then click on the save. Now close everything, right click on the folder or any other icon that you want to change, click on the properties, go to the customize, change icon, and here click on the browse. And now choose your downloaded icon. So in my case it would be this Among Us player, and click on open. Now click OK, apply, and OK. Now as you can see, we have now icon of our Among Us, and you can do it to any icon here, not necessary to the folder. So for example, if you want to change the Roblox Studio icon, you need to also right click on this icon, properties, and then choose here shortcut, and then just simply change icon, browse, and choose the icon that you downloaded. For example, I have this icon, another icon, click OK, apply, and OK. And as you can see, here it is. Here is how to change any icon on Windows to anything. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.